Well, now for more perspective on the case, let's bring in our NBC News legal analyst, Danny Cevallos. Hi, Danny. Always great to have you. So, as we just heard there on this, prosecutors have to prove that at least 2 underlying crimes were committed to further the defendant's scheme. Walk us through proving that. How difficult is that going to be?
There are about 20 enumerated acts under the statute that qualify for those predicate crimes. But what makes this a little confusion is that these are overlapped with what are called overt acts, which are relevant to what's called a conspiracy. So for the RICO charges, you need the enterprise, which is alleged to be essentially, in this case, the campaign. The enterprise doesn't need to be a company. It certainly doesn't need to be the mafia. It can be any group working towards a common plan. But then when you get to the issue of the overt acts, conspiracy just requires an agreement to achieve some unlawful objective and an overt act. It doesn't need to be a crime. There you see there are several conspiracies charged. There are 2 counts, another 2 counts I see there towards the bottom. I mean, conspiracy is all over this indictment. And I would argue as much as RICO is very significant, so too is conspiracy, because it just requires evidence of that agreement, which doesn't have to be a written agreement. Criminals do not write down their unlawful agreements on paper. It's inferred by conduct, by behavior. Happens all the time in drug cases where there's not a written agreement. So you see that agreement, an overt act doesn't need to be a crime. For RICO, you do need 2 predicate crimes, but the Georgia statute is very permissive about what kinds of conduct can constitute those predicate crimes.
So, Danny, I mean, racketeering is a pretty broad catch-all charge. We already know we've seen federal charges when it comes to election interference. So how likely is this state case in racketeering likely to overlap with the federal charges? Does it ever make sense to roll them all together into a larger federal case?
You cannot. You cannot roll a state court case into a federal case because the federal government has no jurisdiction to prosecute local and state crimes. So while you'll see crimes alleged in the Georgia indictment that may sound similar to federal crimes alleged against Donald Trump, they are different statutes, and never the twain shall meet because each sovereign jurisdiction cannot prosecute the other's crimes. And that's actually why there's no double jeopardy issues, because these are considered separate sovereigns, literally separate kingdoms, and the kingdoms would be the federal government and the state government. And so that's why they can prosecute crimes that may sound and smell and feel very similar, but there's no double jeopardy issues. Sometimes the federal government has a policy of refraining from prosecuting if they think the state crimes are adequate, but they're not bound by that procedure. And as a criminal defense attorney, I think the defense bar would say they break that procedure all the time. So it really doesn't matter. Each can charge in their own court. Neither can charge the other's crimes.
So, Danny, quickly on this point, moving it to a federal court is exactly what former Trump White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows is trying to do. Explain that to us. Is this just about geographic location? Why would he want that? And how likely is a judge to grant that request?
You got me, Savannah, because that is a very rare exception where really it's not the federal government prosecuting these crimes if you remove it to federal court. Removal, and I've removed many cases, although under a slightly different section. Removal is basically like a castle move in chess. It's a tactical move where a defendant can take a case and automatically send it up to federal court. It just gives the defendant a kind of home field advantage. Here's some differences that may sound minor, but they're actually pretty significant. You're taking a prosecutor, a state prosecutor, out of the court that they know so well, that they're so familiar with, and putting them in an alien place, which is federal court. You're also going to draw, if you are a bunch of Republican defendants, you're always going to draw from a larger geographic area for your jury pool. That'll get you to the suburbs, and presumably that'll get you to more Trump voters. That could be the most significant strategic move. If this case stays in federal court, and I don't think it will, but if it did, that could make the difference between a win and a loss for these defendants.
All right, Danny, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.